He leadeth me beside the still waters. Somebody shout, still waters. I'm going to talk about still waters tonight. I want you to remain standing because God wants to put you in a place of still waters. He wants to put you in a place of still waters, not hurricanes, not tornadoes, not turbulence of any kind. He wants to put you in a place of still waters. There may be turbulence all around you, but he wants your center to be still, to be calm. You must have a calm place in order to deal with all the chaos in your periphery. You can deal with chaos around you until it gets in you. You can deal with chaos at work, but when the chaos at work gets in you, it becomes detrimental because it begins to deteriorate what God wants to do through you. Ships don't sink because they pass through the water. They only go down when the water passes through them. It is not what is going on around you that's giving you the trouble. It's what's going on inside of you that's giving you the trouble. You have the power to deal with the conditions and the circumstances around you if you could get what is around you from affecting what is inside of you. You could operate from a still place. And the Lord sent me all the way from Dallas, Texas tonight because together you and I are going to go into that place of stillness and solidarity so that you can take back everything that the enemy stole from you.